Hi everyone, I'm Priya Padham from Data School Cohort 21 and today I'm going to be showing you how to create dynamic titles in Tableau. So let's get started. Now that we have opened up Tableau, we can begin by making a simple chart. For this video, I will be using the Superstore dataset. We can begin by placing order date on columns and changing it to continuous months. Then we can also place sales on rows. We should now have a simple line chart. Now we can drag and drop category to the filters shelf and select all and then OK. Now we can show the filter and change it to a single value drop-down list. Say for example that we would like to display which category we are currently viewing in the title. We can do this by double-clicking on where it says Sheet 1 in the title section of the worksheet. This will now open the Edit Title window. Then we can remove what is currently in the Edit Title window and select the Insert button. We can then select Category and press OK. We have now created a dynamic title using a filter. Another way that we can create dynamic titles is by using parameters. For this chart, we will be looking at either profit or sales across all subcategories. So we can begin by creating our parameter which will allow us to toggle between profit or sales. Then we can create our calculated field which will return either profit or sales depending on what is chosen in the parameter. We can now set up our chart by placing subcategory on columns and our new calculated field on rows. We can then show our parameter, and just like with the previous chart, we can double-click on the title to open up the Edit Title window and change the contents by referring to the parameter. So I will change this to subcategory by and go to the Insert menu and find the parameter we made earlier. I will also make this bold and then click OK. Now when we toggle the parameter, the title will also change. We have now created two charts with dynamic titles using either a filter or a parameter. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you feel more confident now with creating dynamic titles. Please check the description of this video for links to additional material that you may find helpful. If you enjoyed this video, you'd love the How to Format Performance Indicators video by my colleague Valeria. Click the link on the screen to watch it next.